guys, it is April 20th, 2018. This one here we're going to call for a leak in the ceiling in the basement. Not a big leak, but starting to rust the overhead ceiling metal type of thing. So drop ceiling metal's getting rusted. So we'll go over there and see what's going on with it. There, Mama. Give the old gun there. She go, Lika, Mama. She go, Lika. Cleaning about the ceiling tiles all rusted. I took it out. Looks like there's been water leaking over here somewhere. And I went upstairs and there's a I'll show you when I get up there. Look at this, it's been loose, I can move it by hand. It's no good. See if I can tighten them. She's loose as a goose, Mama. She's loose as a goose. Yeah, we're gonna have to take it out. I got my container here. We're gonna have to change them. Gonna have to change them, the bolts. They're gonna have to change them. I tried tightening them, but they're not tightening, so I gotta take them out. They're all rusted.
How about the guts?
That's fine. I'll just change the cloth, take the ball bolts, and you'll be alright. No big deal. These are all rusted out anyway, so I'll put some good ones in there. I mean, that's what the problem is.
How about the valve thing?
I'll tighten that up too.
How do you do that?
I gotta take it apart and tighten it. I'll take care of it for you.
Taking care of some business here.
Well, I mean, you're gonna have leaks like that. I mean, that's bad. Let's see if I can. All rusted.
The other trick is getting them out of there, right?
Well, that's gonna be another. Unless I can hold back on it. We'll have to see. We'll try. They're rusted. I'm gonna have to cut them. I'm gonna have to cut it. Not easy. Easy. Not easy being cheesy. You ever hear that saying?
Yep.
It's coming off.
They're both rusted in.
Not good. Hopefully I can get it out of there. See how it's all rusted?
Yep.
Look like decent ones, but Don't take much to screw up the plan. You know?
I got you. I guess it's not a bad idea.
Nope. Hopefully get this one off right here. Get this one to stop spinning somehow. I mean, the thing's just flipping rusted to shit here. Really bad. I mean, it's just corroded. See, I got a screwdriver on it now. Hopefully I get it off of that. Nope, I'm gonna have to cut it. Wow. I mean, the thing's loose as a goose, but try to cut it, I guess. Cutting it takes forever. You got a rag I can put down here with some towel or something? Just a hacksaw blade where I got tape on one end. This way I ain't got no water. I should do it. What are you, a snowbird?
Yeah.
A lot of them down there, huh? In Florida? There it goes, see? You get it partially cut, then you can snap it.
Yeah.
So you want to be a plumber, huh?
I don't think so.
No.
I think I'm good right where I am.
I mean, it's kind of corroded in there. So that's what it was. It was loose when you're sitting there and pushing back on it. That's when it was leaking.
Okay.
It wasn't leaking all the time.
Okay.
That's right where that leak was downstairs, right?
Yeah, pretty.
I'm thinking that's probably this. See, that's why I wanted to come up here and look for myself, because sometimes I can see things that you don't see.
Yeah.
I mean...
You wouldn't think it would, a little thing like that would do it, but I guess it does, huh?
Well, yeah. Not leaking all the time until you sit on it, you know, push back, right?
Yeah.
And then it's leaking a little bit, not a lot, enough to leak on the floor, and then leak downstairs and have an issue. I mean, I see it a lot like that. That's the type of stuff you have to look for. Florida must be crazy in the winter, summertime, huh? Down there.
Yeah.
You don't like it down there in the summer? It's too hot.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind coming back.
Well, the thing is, if you're going from air conditioning to air conditioning, it's not bad, right?
Yeah. The only thing is, this is a little more screwy here coming back this time.
Why is that?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. You think this is cold?
That's what somebody else said.
I guess if you're used to 70-degree weather, right?
Yeah. Those things get tightened right up, or
Yeah, I gotta tighten them up.
you can't kind of hand tight.
No, they gotta be tight.
They gotta be.
No, they gotta be tight. So I have to do my thing with them. Tighten them up. Can't be hand tight. They're gonna be tight so they don't leak. That deep socket sometimes is just at the right point where it's losing the grip there. You know, I gotta use my pliers sometimes. Look at it. I can move them by hand. I mean, that's not good. Flush it and check, make sure it don't leak. Yeah, because when I came here, I could actually grab the bolts and move them by hand.
Yeah, that's not
Not
good.
good.
Don't everything go with the car.
See, so it's a good thing she told me to look at it.
See?
Yeah. Right?
I had a feeling something.
Yeah, all good now. Well, that's where it needs to be.
Okay.
I can move it by hand. I mean, that could be where the leak's coming from too. I mean, I could tighten it up. It's pretty bad. No leaks on the floor.